guys, Steven here, founder of Phoenix FXC. Just wanted to show you guys how to install MetaTrader 4, which is one of the most commonly used Forex trading applications. And honestly, my favorite. I mean, there's CTrader, there's Trading Station, there's a whole bunch out there, but MetaTrader 4 is my favorite. So as you can see on my screen, I've got a VirtualBox running Windows 10. MetaTrader 4 will install on Windows 7, Windows XP. I'm not sure about the earlier ones, but the later Windows ones, you're all good. Windows 8, you're all good for MetaTrader 4. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it so that you can see how you can get your application set up so you can start trading Forex. Now, I'm going to install the JAFX version because I have worked out a sweet negotiation with JAFX and negotiated better spreads, and I personally know the broker, so the owner of the brokerage. So I know if anything goes wrong or if there's some kind of cool little adjustment or whatever, I can go straight to him. So if you're a member of Phoenix, you have access to be able to sign up to JAFX and take advantage of our killer spreads. They're already lower than average, but if you sign up through us, you get them even lower. We have other benefits too. So let's go ahead and show you how to get MetaTrader. Now, every MetaTrader 4 is going to install like this. Each company, each broker can brand it themselves. They can brand it with their own logo, their own settings and everything, their own thing here. But the actual base application, it's all the same. So don't worry about that. I'm teaching you how to install from JAFX, but if you were to go to Forex Broker Inc. or Traders Way or FXCM or XM or other brokers and download their MT4 application, it's going to be the same process. So no worries. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. All right, looky here. Now, once you have it installed, you have to log into the brokerage. You can do a demo account or you can do a real account. Demo account, super easy, guys. You can do a new demo account or you can log in. They'll give you every broker will give you your login and password. But if you want to just generate a demo account straight from here, you can type in all your info, right? Select this, agree, and click next. I'm going to actually go 1 to 200 leverage. We have other videos that are going to go over leverage, lot sizing, risk management, all the stuff you need to make yourself successful, so don't worry about that. Click next, boom. So here's this demo information. Now, if you guys want to log into my demo, I'm probably never going to access this again, so if I've got some jokesters on the video, I mean, feel free, but let's go ahead and finish. Boom. All right, guys. So we got this. Let's show you how to use MT4, right? So this is the file menu, typical file menu, open an account. If you ever get logged out, you can log into your trading account here. You can open a new account here. Save as, typical things. View, you've got market watch, data, navigator, symbols. If you ever need to bring up your symbols and put ones that you don't see here, you're going to do that here. So I'm going to add this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. Now if you're wondering which ones do you add, that's something for another time. Typically I add JPY pairs, I add AUD pairs, I add GBP pairs, I add all USD pairs, I add CAD pairs, I add NZD pairs, Yeah. So I showed you how to add that. That's perfect. Now, this is kind of your little mailbox section. If JAFX or your broker really sends you a message like your newsletters, it's going to appear here. Something really important to pay attention to, guys, is if you need to zoom out or if you need to zoom in, you got this here. If you need to check your trades that you have open, let's say I just open one right now, right? So I'm going to, let's show you how to place an order. New order. I'm going to change my volume to a penny lot. Lot sizes go from pennies, 2 penny, 3 penny, and this goes. You can even type this in. Typical lot size for say $1,000 balance is about 10-cent lot. That calculates in units, and feel free to look that up, or if you've gone through phoenixfxc.com/library, you can learn more about that. So I'm going to enter in the market price, which we see here that current market price is 1.27. So we'll put a stop loss at 1.23. And we'll do a take profit at 1.28. We'll just go easy. Mark execution. So this is going to be instant. If you do a pending order, that's different. That's basically saying I'm going to set a pending order when market reaches this specific price, which you're going to put here when market price. And if you want to know about buy limits, sell stops, and everything, phoenixfxc.com/library, there is a whole document on buy limits and sell limits. But we're going to go ahead and do instant execution, which means just do this right now. So boom. All right, it's invalid. Let's try this. All right. Anyway, if you take the time to calculate all the take profit, which on a buy it needs to be higher than market price, and on a sell it needs to be lower than market price, and your stop loss needs to be the same thing, lower for a buy or higher for a sell. Then when you hit this button, it's going to say the trade is placed, and then you're going to see it here. So there we go. All right, so the order's been placed. This is what you see after you've placed it. Boom. Now we can see here that I've got my buy. This is my entry. Zoom in and see where it is. Fantastic. Boom. Now if I want to close this order, I'm going to click this button. Okay. Now, if you're wondering, oh, how long am I going to hold this or whatever, that's part of the trading strategies, guys. There's multiple ways to do this. I'm not going to go over that through this video because I'm just showing you how to install and get familiar with MT4. But so you've got insert, you've got all these things. You can insert text. You can mark up your charts just like this. You can do your channels. You can basically mark up your charts. If you've ever heard of tradingview.com, which I recommend, I love it, you can mark up your charts on here too, and that's really cool. Candlesticks is what I prefer, so I mark that. I also like to see the volume. We have phoenixfxc.com/library. There's something on volume in there for you guys. And let's see, what else should we go over? Options. This is kind of a cool little thing. You got chart options, you got objects, you got trade, expert advisors, notifications, email, signals, FTP, lots of different options in here. Just be aware of this. Your trading history. If you ever need to see what trades you've already placed, they've already closed, they're going to be in this account history. So keep that in mind. Your journal, kind of a similar thing. You can see here what was opened. Experts, if you ever have an expert applied, you're going to see errors, you're going to see things here. Market alerts are going to appear here, news is going to appear here. So, I mean, exposure, you'll be able to see some data here. That's nice. Let's say I want to mark a trend line. You can do that like this. Oops. well, that should have touched the wick here, but anyways, you guys get the point. Let's say I want to open up a new chart, guys. Say I want to open up this AUD chart. Boom. I can do the order here to open it up. All you got to do, slap it over here. Bam, this is now open. And you can see here I've got tabs. I can scroll through the charts, right? I can open up through all of these. Real simple. If I want to apply an indicator, I come down here, put it over there. An indicator that a lot of people use, RSI. Really simple. The trick with RSI, I mean, there's really no trick, but basically you've got basically settings for if price reaches here, chances are it's going to drop. Price reaches down here, chances are it's going to raise. Just a quick lesson on RSI. I'm not going to go through all these others. It take too much time. Let's see. These are your time frames. This is the other important part. You can see the minute time frame. You can see the 15-minute time frame. See, you can see we're already in profit. The commission is 40 cents, however, so keep that in mind. So whatever I profit here, it's going to be minusing here. Oh, see, drops. Boom. Now it comes down. So I can see on the 30-minute time frame, I can see the hour time frame. What do most traders use? Most traders use the hour time frame for swings, or 4-hour, or daily, or weekly for swings. If you're a scalper, you're probably going to pay attention to these time frames. Be careful doing this. This looks really addicting, right? It looks really addicting to place a trade. You're probably wondering how mine's in profit. We're going to go ahead and close it just to show you what it looks like. Okay, I accept these terms. Boom. I accept it. All right, perfect. So, count history. Bam. Made 20 cents. Look at that, guys. And so that's how you close it, and that's how you look in the trade history. But these time frames, as I was saying, don't worry too much about these lower time frames when you're new. They'll drive you insane. They move super fast. It might be really super addicting to try to place a trade and see if you can win. This is how people lose money. Follow our education, phoenixfxc.com/library. If you feel like you need a mentor, if you want to fast track things, phoenixfxc.com/trading school. It's really cheap. We've got the best teachers. Our students kill it. Our education is stellar. But that's if you feel like you want to get profitable faster and fast track your learning curve. Other than that, guys, this is how you install MT4. This is a little bit on using MT4, just the basics. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us at facebook.com/groups/PhoenixFXC or PhoenixForexConsultants@gmail.com. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.